All right, welcome back, folks. Here we are with a John Deere 2017 X758. The issue at hand here is the battery cable. The positive lead broke off, so we're gonna have to go ahead and get that repaired today. Sharpen the blades, change the oil. Should be a fun field day, and then we'll get some video while we mow with this thing. So let's get into it. The positive plug coming off the starter going to the battery has came undone here, so we're going to show you today what kind of tools you would need to put this cable back on so this unit will be operational. Went to local Ace Hardware, got a positive plug and just a few of the basic tools that you'll need for the job. And let's get into it here and let's get this thing put back together and we can mow some grass with it. Put on your shrink wrap. Go ahead and slide that all the way down. That way we can hook it up later. Go ahead and put your end on with the two nuts. It's a crimp fitting, so you need to make sure that's in there secure and tight. Go ahead and slide your shrink wrap slide that over the positive plug, give it a little tap. Sometimes they're a little tight from factory, so you gotta grab a screwdriver and open them up a little bit. And turn it so you can have that tightening bolt accessible. Slide the cover up. Should be good to go. All right, guys, we're back to doing the oil change here on the 2017 John Deere X758. And you know, some of the things you might think you need is you'll need an oil pan, you'll need a set of sockets, and a ratchet wrench. You'll also need a John Deere filter for it. Went down to my local John Deere dealer and got it. It is part number M806418. And also it takes around 4 quarts of Shell Rotella 1540 weight oil. So let's get into it today and let's see if we can get the oil changed and move on to sharpening mower blades. Once this is drained here, we should be able to go ahead and reinstall the drain plug. Go ahead and move the drain pan out of the way. I just installed a new filter on it and add oil to this thing and fire it up. Let's get into it. Alright guys, ready to fill some oil like I said before. I usually go with Shell Rotella 1540 weight. Usually full synthetic, but like I said, they didn't have any. So we'll just have to go with the triple protection. Should work just fine. Best thing to do on this unit is the breather for the air filter comes across and the suction is pulled from behind the steering wheel here, which goes down to your air cleaner. What we should do here though, just for ease of access to get your funnel into your drain plug, is to remove this guy right here, so that way you're nice and open, so you don't make a bunch of oil mess all over the motor. So all right guys, let's get into it. Alright guys, let's fire this unit up. We'll prime the oil filter, check for leaks. Alright guys, 2017 X758. I'm going to show you some of the capabilities of it today here. I got a pretty steep hill behind my house. Just been maintaining after they got done with all their dirt work from the expansion projects behind my house. So I'll show you the hill that we're working on today. basically this berm goes all the way down from property line all the way behind the neighbors' houses for about a quarter mile or so. I'd say it's about a 60-degree angle from this point to the top, so it is pretty steep. I will show you the capabilities of the four-wheel drive and the just everything that goes in with it, so let's get to it.